Guten Tag. Ja, heute beginnen wir Lektion 4. Lektion 4. Today. Heute beginnen wir Lektion 4. Lektion 4, wie heißt der Titel? Guten Appetit. Guten Appetit. Yeah, standard, what do you say, wish when you sit with someone to eat, or when someone, when it's, or even, people even say Mahlzeit. Mahlzeit. Die Mahlzeiten. Die Mahlzeiten. Zeit? Das Mahl. Das Mahl. Meal time. Das Mahl. Die Mahlzeit. Die Mahlzeiten. Mahlzeit. One thing I would like to tell you is that if you are going to write meanings in the textbook, you will never open your glossar. Okay, so please get used to using the glossar. It's important because certain phrases also are explained in the glossar properly. So you can of course write down, I mean, it's your textbook, so you can make whatever notes you want, but it usually means that we don't open the glossar, and that's not a very nice thing. Okay. So the first thing that we will do is just try and get used to some vocabulary in and around this entire theme of Guten Appetit, or what do you say in English? Bon Appetit. Ja. Aber was sagen Sie auf Ihre Sprache? Welche Sprache sprechen Sie?
Ich spreche Hindi und Englisch.
Hindi. Was sagen Sie im Hindi? Guten Appetit. Who all are Hindi speakers here? Hindi speakers. Don't be afraid to put up your hand. I mean, it's okay. So what does one say in Hindi before a meal? What does one wish the other person? On the days when there used to be a special meal in the hostel mess when I was a student, we used to say daba ke khao. Okay, that's what we used to say. But I don't think we can use that as a normal equivalent for Guten Appetit. Okay, but is there something that you would say in Hindi to a person before a meal? Bharpet khao, yeah, yeah. Guten Appetit, or eat with a good appetite. Guten Appetit. Bhukh mitao. That sounds more like a government program. Das Guten Appetit Program, or something like that you can have. Okay, Bhukh mitao. No, but there need not be. I mean, I'm not saying that you have to find out. There need not be. What are the other languages represented over here? Marathi. I'm a Marathi speaker, but I'm not going to say. Yeah, I think Pranav can say. What would you say to somebody in Marathi? Bharpet khao, pot bhar jayo. No, but there is something that you actually say, especially when you go to a wedding, for example, and you're sitting for a wedding lunch. I have heard this being said in Marathi very often, and that is Savkash ho dya. That is, take your time. Okay, tasalli se khao. That is what it would mean in Hindi, roughly. So that is something that you say in the sense also, it also implies that take your time, meaning also taste the food, no? Get the taste, enjoy the taste. It is not very different in what it implies from Bon Appetit or Guten Appetit. So how many are Tamil speakers? What do you say to somebody? Is there a mealtime greeting in Tamil? Guten Appetit is standard mealtime greeting, or even Mahlzeit is a mealtime greeting. Is there a mealtime greeting in Tamil? No? Telugu? How many of you are Telugu speakers? Just say no and it's finished. I mean, at least something that you might have heard your mom say to people, or whenever food is served at home or at a function. Is there anything that people say? Louder. I didn't hear. Meaning?
Eat well.
Ah, so there is something, no? Yeah. Commonly said whenever you have food. So we had Malayalam. Any Mallus here? Yeah. Okay. Any other languages represented over here? Kannada? No Kannadigas here? Okay. So what do we have now? Gujarat? No? Then we go further north. Rajasthan is Hindi. Punjab? Punjabi?
I can't remember.
Can't remember. Punjabis do have an evening whenever they meet in the evening. If two guys meet in Punjab, then the usual question is ki chadya? What does ki chadya mean? हाँ. क्या पक रहा है, मतलब क्या चढ़ा है? So anyway, after the recording stops, you ask me to tell you a joke. Okay, then tell you the joke about the two Punjabis meeting after the recording stops. Anyway, so basically, I don't know any other languages here. Then we come down. Kashmir. Anybody know Kashmir over here? Or then Himachal, UP, Uttarakhand, Bengal. Any Bengalis here in class? No? Odia? Assam? Then go further north. Woher kommen Sie? Assam. Wo in Assam? Shivsagar. Okay. So in Assamese, do you have any kind of a mealtime greeting? Pet bhar khao. That is pet bhar ke khao. I mean, are you just making it up, or is it normally said? It is said normally. Okay. Anyway, so Guten Appetit is Deutsch. Die Mahlzeiten. Die drei normalen Mahlzeiten sind das Frühstück, das Mittagessen und das Abendessen. Ja? Frühstück, Mittagessen, Mittagessen. Abend, guten Abend, Abendessen. Ja? Abendessen. Das Essen. Das Getränk. Trinken. Was wir trinken, ist ein Getränk. Was wir trinken, ist ein Getränk. Zum Beispiel Limonade. Limonade ist ein Getränk. Die Limonade, die Cola ist ein Getränk. Die Limonade ist ein Getränk. Der Wein, das Bier, die Cola, die Limonade, das Wasser. Juice? Der Saft. And we can combine Saft with any fruit in the beginning. So you have Apfelsaft, Apfelsaft, Orangensaft, Mangosaft, Mangosaft, Traubensaft, Traube, Traube. Anybody guess? Grape, Traube, die Traube, die Traube, die Trauben. Grape. So you can also have Traubensaft with an N added. Traubensaft. Also we have in Mangosaft, Orangensaft, Apfelsaft, Traubensaft. Yeah, enough. Das sind alle Getränke. Das sind alle Getränke. Drinks, something that you drink. Okay, Getränke. Die Mahlzeit, das Fleisch. Das Fleisch. Das Fleisch? Yeah. It's almost the same word as flesh, but don't say the word in English that we eat flesh. No, we eat meat. Das Fleisch, das Gemüse. Das Gemüse. Ja, das Gemüse. Das ist ein Kollektivnomen. It's a collective noun. Das Gemüse means vegetables. Yeah, das Gemüse. Das Obst. Fruit. Yeah, again collective noun. Now fruits that we know, Apfel, der Apfel, masculine. Apfel is der. Orange, die Orange. Traube, die Traube. Mango, die Mango, I think. I'm stuck. Okay, die Mango. Then Birne. You can see it on the slide. Birne, pear. Birne, pear. Die Birne, die Traube, die Banane. I think so. Most of them, apart from Apfel, most of them are feminine fruits. Dann haben wir noch die Speise. Die Speise. Die Speise. What we would call any kind of an item or a dish would be die Speise. Okay, die Speise. Die Nachspeise. Die Nachspeise? Dessert. Something that comes after the main. Die Nachspeise. Dessert. Das Brot. Ja. Das Frühstück. Brot mit Butter, Marmelade, Honig, Wurst, Käse. Wurst, Käse, Wurst. Sausage, ja. Wurst. Käse, ja. Honig, Ei, das Ei. Now, in case something is not clear, you can ask. Let's not translate everything into English. We will just, yeah, Brot und Brötchen. Brot und Brötchen. Brötchen is a bun. Brötchen is a bun. Brötchen can also be a small, a basic sandwich can also be a Brötchen. Brötchen. Butter, Marmelade, Honig, Wurst, Käse, Ei, Joghurt, Quark, Obst, Müsli, Kaffee, Milch, Tee. Das, die, der, die, der, das, Quark.
Sir, what is that muesli?
Muesli. Muesli? What is muesli? Do you have muesli? Do you get muesli for breakfast in the hostel? Common cornflakes. Okay, you don't get elite cornflakes. Okay. So what is muesli? It's like cereal. Cereal meaning? Not saas bhi kabhi bahu thi. Not that cereal. Yeah. So cereals, and basically it's beaten, flattened. Like for example, have you had poha? What is poha? What is it? Flattened rice. It's flattened rice. So that kind of a thing. I mean, it's not something that is cooked, but something that is eaten. How it is processed, I don't know. But the process, we'll have to find out how it's processed. But it has several things. It has some dry fruits. It has some cereal, and all sorts of things. It's supposed to be a very healthy breakfast. Muesli. Usually, you have muesli with what? Milk, cold milk, or buttermilk, okay. But yogurt, yeah, yogurt also. Muesli and dahi is a very common combination. Okay, muesli, Obst. Das yogurt, I think it's der Quark.
So what is quark?
Quark is quark. Yogurt and quark. It's almost like cottage cheese. No, quark. We'll have to check. Versus quark. So it's just curd or curd cheese also. Curd cheese or curd, quark. So it is like something like yogurt, but a little more denser and thicker than yogurt. Das Obst, muesli. Der die das, we'll have to find out. Der Kaffee, die Milch, der Tee. Ja? Wir haben hier auch Cornflakes. Cornflakes. Okay. Any word that is unclear now?
Does gekocht mean boiled?
Gekochtes Ei, yeah, gekochte. Kochen. Kochen is to cook. I think we did the word kochen. Yeah, under hobbies. Kochen is to cook. It's a regular verb, kochen. And but it also means to boil. Kochen also means to boil in German. Not only just to cook, but also to boil. So, zum Beispiel, for example, das Wasser kocht. Das Wasser kocht. The water is boiling. Das Wasser kocht. That is also, and ich koche. Ich koche Tee, ich koche rice, whatever it is, ich koche, das Essen. I cook, that is also kochen. Okay. So both have the same word. And gekocht is boiled. Gekocht is boiled. So gekochte Eier, as you can see. So you have das Ei, plural, die Eier. Die Eier. Gekochte Eier. Joghurt, Quark, Obst, Müsli, Cornflakes, das Frühstück.
The yogurt is spelled differently in those two places. Both spellings are fine.
With this is better. Das Mittagessen. Fleisch, Fisch, Salat, Kartoffeln, Reis, Nudeln, Brot, Pudding, Quark. I think this is the only new word. Kartoffeln. Potatoes, Kartoffel. Die Kartoffel, die Kartoffeln. Potato. Salat. So wir haben hier das Fleisch, der Fisch, der Salat, die Kartoffel, der Reis, die Nudeln, das Brot, der Pudding and der Quark. Nudeln. Hmm? Yeah, I mean, our idea of noodles is chow mein, but it is not just that, but also other kinds of pasta can also be called noodle. Yeah. Any problem here? Nudeln. Das Abendessen. Wurstaufschnitt. Wurstaufschnitt. What do you see there? But what of salami? Slices. Yeah, slice. It comes from schneiden. Schneiden is to cut. Schnitt is the noun form of a cut is Schnitt, and Aufschnitt is a salami that is cut up. Schwarzbrot. Schwarzbrot. Schwarz. Weiß und schwarz. Weißbrot, Schwarzbrot. Brown bread, yeah. Actually, schwarz means the color is black. Opposite, a pair of opposites here we have. Weiß und schwarz. Weiß und schwarz. Und dann haben wir nochmal Saft, Wein, Bier, Mineralwasser, Tee, Limonade. Das sind alle Getränke. They're all Getränke. Getränke. Ja. So, ja, wir haben hier die drei normalen Mahlzeiten. Please try and listen to what I'm saying, and if something is not clear, you can either make a note or stop and this thing. So, wir haben hier die drei normalen Mahlzeiten, das Frühstück, das Mittagessen, das Abendessen. Was essen wir zum Frühstück? Zum Frühstück. Was essen wir zum Frühstück? Wir essen zum Frühstück, Brot oder Brötchen mit Butter, mit Marmelade oder Honig, vielleicht auch Wurst, vielleicht. The word when, okay, so maybe, perhaps, yeah. Vielleicht. Perhaps. Wir essen zum Frühstück Brot oder Brötchen mit Butter, Marmelade oder Honig, vielleicht eine Wurst, vielleicht Wurst und Käse oder ein Ei, ein gekochtes Ei, oder ein Spiegelei, das Spiegelei would be a fried egg, sunny side up, fried egg, half fry, yeah, with the yellow still intact, okay. Spiegelei, vielleicht Joghurt oder Quark, Obst, eine Banane oder ein Apfel. Wir essen Müsli, Was trinken wir? Was trinken wir zum Frühstück? Was trinken wir zum Frühstück? Kaffee oder Tee oder Milch oder
Saft.
Saft, ja. Saft auch. Oder? Wir trinken kein Bier zum Frühstück. Ja. So, was essen wir zum Frühstück? Zum Frühstück. Standard expression for, don't ask me why zum and why Frühstück, but standard expression for what do we eat for breakfast? Was essen wir zum Frühstück? Wir essen zum Frühstück and then you can, was essen Sie zum Frühstück?
Obst.
Obst, nur Obst? Nur, only, nur Obst?
Boot.
Boot, ein Boot,
Brot.
Brot.
Brot und gekochte Ei.
Ein oder zwei?
Ein.
Ein Ei.
Ein Ei.
Then gekochtes, das Ei, gekochtes
Okay,
Ei.
gekochtes Ei.
Ja. Die Eier, gekochte Eier. Das Ei, gekochtes Ei. Ja? Okay, noch einmal. Was essen Sie zum Frühstück?
Brot und gekochtes Ei.
Brot und gekochtes Ei. Okay, Brot mit Butter?
Mit Butter. Ja.
Mit Marmelade?
Nein.
Mit Honig?
Nein.
Mit Wurst?
Nein.
Okay. Ja. Was essen Sie zum Frühstück? Ich esse zum Frühstück, but I mean we can also have idli and dosa, you can say, or upma, or what is breakfast in the hostel, in the mess? Dosa, sambar. So why don't, ja, was essen Sie zum Frühstück? Bitte geben Sie Ashwin, ne, Akash, das Mikrofon. What is mess? We did the word the other day, mess.
Mensa.
Mensa, ja. Was essen Sie in der Mensa zum Frühstück?
In der Mensa ich esse Dosa und Sambar und Milch.
Dosa und Sambar und Milch.
Und ich trinke Milch.
Und ich trinke Milch, okay. Yeah, so primarily we can use whatever it is that we have, a paratha or puri or whatever, but the idea is to get the expression ich esse zum Frühstück and then whatever it is. Zum Mittagessen, zum Mittagessen, zum Frühstück, zum Mittagessen. Was essen wir zum Mittagessen? Zum Beispiel, ich esse normalerweise zum Mittagessen Reis mit Dal, also mit Linsensuppe, a lentil soup is Dal, Reis mit Dal oder mit Sambar und etwas Gemüse, gekochtes Gemüse, not boiled, cooked. Gekochtes, okay, ein Gemüse und ja, das ist mein Mittagessen. Was essen Sie zum Mittagessen? Ja, Winnie, wo ist das Mikrofon? Was essen Sie zum Mittagessen?
Esse.
Ich esse.
Ich esse. Sorry. Dosa
Ja?
und Chutney.
Okay. Auch zum Mittagessen. Und zum Frühstück?
Brot und
Brot.
Brot und Ei.
Brot und Ei. Okay. Und zum Mittagessen Dosa. Okay. Ja. Can you pass the mic further? Was essen Sie zum Mittagessen?
Kartoffel.
Kartoffeln, okay.
Rice.
Rice,
Dal.
dal, okay. You can say, you can use words, was sind Sie zum Mittagessen?
Ich esse das Fleisch zum Mittagessen.
Das Fleisch? Which Fleisch? No, no, I mean, is there any particular meat that you have for Mittagessen or it's just meat?
Ich esse Fleisch
Ja,
zum
ich esse
Mittagessen.
Fleisch zum Mittagessen. Okay. Dann similarly zum Abendessen. Zum Abendessen. Ja. Was essen Sie zum Abendessen? Your voice is being recorded there. We don't hear it over. It's not on this sound system. Yeah.
Ich esse gekochte Gemüse.
Ja. Gekochtes Gemüse.
Gekochtes Gemüse.
Das Gemüse, no? So gekochtes Gemüse.
Gekochtes Gemüse und Reis
Ja.
und Dal
Okay.
und Roti.
Ja, Roti oder Chapati. Ja, Roti oder Chapati. Und dann, was trinken Sie zum Abendessen?
Was trinke ich? Ich trinke Limonade.
Limonade. Limonade.
Limonade und Wasser.
Und Wasser.
Wasser.
Wasser. Ja. Was essen Sie zum Abendessen?
Ich esse Dal und Reis
Ja.
and
Chapati?
sometimes,
Auch?
sometimes
Ja.
auch Chapati. Yeah.
Gemüse?
No.
Nein? Kein Gemüse? Sehr gut. Okay. Das ist sehr gesund. Gesund? Gesund? Okay. Ja, das sind jetzt Bilder aus dem Buch. Frühstück, was haben wir alles zum Frühstück? Die Banane, der Tee, das Müsli. Der oder das Joghurt, die Butter, das Salz. Das Salz? Ja. Das Brötchen, der Orangensaft, die Marmelade, der Käse, das Ei, die Milch. Okay. So, wir gehen zurück und wir sagen, Müsli ist das Müsli. Der oder das Joghurt. Mittagessen. Was haben wir zum Mittagessen? Das Wasser, die oder das Cola, der Apfelsaft, das Fleisch, der Salat, die Kartoffeln und das Gemüse. Ja? The potatoes have a very significant role in the German diet. You know that, and it is a staple. What is a staple? What is our staple normally? Rice and chapati. So it's like everything else goes around it. So potato is a staple in the German cuisine. So das Gemüse, Kaffee und Kuchen. Um 4 Uhr am Nachmittag oder um 5 Uhr trinken wir Kaffee oder Tee und wir essen vielleicht Kuchen oder Keks oder eine Samosa oder eine Vada, etc. Okay, samosa is very, very common in Germany nowadays. I mean, you actually have chai dhabas in Berlin. I've seen chai dhabas in Berlin. You can go to this thing and then sit there on a bench, have a samosa and a chai. Okay. of course you pay 5 euros something for that, so then it suddenly start multiplying by 80. But otherwise, der Zucker, der Kaffee, die Sahne, Kaffee mit Sahne, Cream, Sahne, die Sahne, die Schokolade und Keks. Keks? No. Haha. Cakes are biscuits in German. Yeah. Kuchen is cake. Abendessen, we'll stop. Abendessen, die Tomate, das Brot, die Wurst, der Schinken, die Gurke, der Schinken, what is that? Schinkenbrot. Schinkenbrot, yeah. Der Salat, die Suppe, das Wasser. That's clear. Schinken. Ham. What is ham? Pig. Why do you say pig? Pork. Yeah. I mean, but a particular way, cut in a particular way from a particular part, etc. Ham. So actually, the original hamburger it's not from Hamburg, it's Hamburger. And in German, a very common carry along snack or lunch or whatever it is to be ein Schinkenbrot. Ein Schinkenbrot. Brot und mit Schinken. Und vielleicht mit Käse. Perhaps also with, that's the very basic ham sandwich, okay, from which emerged what we now call the Maharaja burger or whatever it is. Okay, so Abendessen. Das ist die Gurke. Was ist die Gurke? Die Gurke. You thought it was what? Zucchini is zucchini, same word. Die Gurke. Was möchtest du zum Mittagessen? Was möchtest du zum Abendessen? Möchtest. What would you like? Would like. Yeah, we'll stop with this. Was möchtest du zum Mittagessen? Was möchtest du zum Abendessen? Reis, Obst, Würstchen. Würstchen, wo sind die Würstchen? Würstchen. Wurst. Würstchen is a smaller version of that. Sausages basically. Huhn. Huhn. Fleisch. Spaghetti. Fish. Fish is wrongly spelled. Fish. Salat, Suppe, Gemüse. Okay. Bitte machen Sie das für morgen. Für morgen. Eine Umfrage. A survey. Was esse ich zum Frühstück? Was trinke ich zum Frühstück? Und dann vormittags, mittags, abends. Okay. It's all there in the book, so you just tomorrow we'll have a look at that, and then we will keep the rest of the class for clearing doubts. Day after tomorrow is the quiz, lessons 1, 2 and 3, and it basically you don't have to get intimidated. You can also imagine what a quiz will be like. I mean, there will be fill in the blanks where you might have to put in the correct verb in the correct conjugation, or please learn your vocab. Vocab meaning gender and plural. Okay, so then there will be match the following. Like for example, if I put, I don't know what, if I put wine in one place, then you can't match it with breakfast, for example, or beer in one place, and you can't match it with breakfast. Then that would be a mismatch, and you won't get the marks for mismatches. So that kind of a thing. I mean, there is only so much what do you say, creativity that teachers also have. No, how creative can we get in setting question papers? So we have learned to introduce ourselves. We have learned to tell a little bit about a particular city, talk a little bit about our hobbies, etc., etc. So those things you have to just make sure that you know the basics, and the questions will be all based around that. So either you have to write answers or to match the following, or you have to introduce yourself, or you have to fill in the blanks with the correct word. Yeah, but I would say that get your conjugations right, verb conjugations right, and get your vocabulary right. That is the gender and plural of nouns. Get that basic base should be there. Then everything else you can derive. Okay. I don't have have the attendance book today. I forgot it at home yesterday. So all will be marked present for today's class. What was the question? You want it? No?